Welcome, my friends. Today we have a very easy social media design in just 4 minutes. Let's go. First of all, we will open a file. Then we will set the news size to 1200 by 1200 with a resolution of 300. After that, we will import our product picture. The most important thing is for the product picture to have good quality. Next, we will choose our background color. We will be using the color newspaper throughout this design. We will use two colors, dark red and light red. As you can see, the steps are easy and there is no hassle. We will choose the dark red color. Like this, I select the light red color. We will tweak it until we see this brown color following along. It changes the tension of the day. I want to cast the light from the north and the shadow from the right. As you see, this creates a strong rigid shape. After that, we will import the picture of the king and then we will make a selection. And after that, the subject. The key is to focus. The video is really easy. The design is simple. The main thing is to pick high resolution pictures. Hopefully you'll end up with a fantastic design. After cutting out the picture of the king, we stepped on a mask. We'll position the picture of the king underneath the product image. We'll hit Ctrl-T on the keyboard and zoom in to magnify the milk picture, milk and youthful. A truly stunning design. Then we'll grab the strawberry picture and hit Ctrl-T on the keyboard and enlarge it. Lovely. Nice. Then we'll grab the picture of the flying bird's milk and we'll change its mode and leave it as a screen. We'll completely lower the image and do Ctrl-T on the keyboard and enlarge it. As you can see, the form has become really beautiful. The design is now clear and flower-like. We made an awesome social media design. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Then we'll grab the spark picture, the sparkle lights, and do Ctrl-T on the keyboard. We'll flip it and change its mode. We'll set it to screen to remove the background. We'll hit Ctrl-D on the keyboard and enlarge it. As you can see, the pictures I used, I will leave them in the description below. High quality photos, you can see a high quality design like this. It's really beautiful. I'm just about done. The design is not missing anything, but I'll place the product's shadow in a layer beneath the product image and I'll choose a dark red or black color, black, and the soft brush. And I'll make the brush slightly smaller and gently click the mouse. It's sweet, strong, and beautiful. We made a wonderful shadow that shows that the product image is floating. Nice. We're going to gather all the layers and make a new window from keyboard Control Alt Shift A. Then we'll go to the camera raw filter. Click on the camera raw filter. Adjust our colors. These colors depend on your perception. You rely on your perception. When you're satisfied as you see beautiful, we illustrate the design, we give colors to the design, we change the design shape. The best kind of colors to alter your design with are the camera raw filter. And if you liked the video, my friend, don't forget to like and follow and support me with a like. I work hard to present these videos to you. Support me, my friend. Okay? We will explain the design, sweet and strong, like this. We have saved the windows. Okay, that's the design. We have finished our design in 4 minutes. Very nice. If you liked the video, my friend, don't forget to like and follow.